As the sun sets over the restless sea, waves crash with fury, and from the depths, a haunting roar awakens a forgotten giant. Beneath the surface, the prehistoric sea hides colossal monsters, moving slowly through the darkness, rulers of a forgotten world. From the abyss, the monster rises, its massive form breaking the silence, as smaller creatures scatter in pure terror. The mighty Plesiosaurus emerges from the depths, gliding with deadly grace. In a flash, it seizes its prey, nothing escapes its way. Is it the king of the abyss? Or something more deadly? Stalking from the darkness?
We're gonna die!
The mighty Megalodon strikes with savage fury, devouring anything in its path. But soon, a deadly encounter awaits. Sated from its feast, the Megalodon glides through the ancient waters, until its gaze meets the Pliosaurus. Silence grips the ocean, and then, the attack begins. The Pliosaurus strikes with unstoppable force, the Megalodon defeated. The seas fall silent. Or maybe not.